আসসালামু আলাইকুম। 16ই ডিসেম্বর আমাদের বিজয় দিবস। আমরা আজকে বিজয় দিবস নিয়ে ইংরেজিতে কিছু প্রশ্ন উত্তর দেখব। বিজয় দিবস ইংরেজি ভিক্টোরি ডে। Now Arjun is going to ask some questions about Victory Day and Rishan is going to answer.
Today I will ask you some question about Victory Day. When is our Victory Day?
16th December.
What happened on this day?
We got our
Look
independence
at him.
because
Arjun, look at Rishan.
Pakistani army surrendered.
Who fought for the country?
Many people of our country sacrificed their lives for this country.
They loved our country so much.
Yes, we should show our love and respect them.
Do you visit the national monument?
Monument. আবার ওদিকে তাকিয়ে বলো। Do you visit the national monument?
Do you visit the national monument?
Yes, I do. I visit there with my parents.